I'm Aaron from Columbia. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take out your old Tomahawk blades and change them with the new replacement blades. With your Tomahawk, you have your blade and then you have your housing. To remove the blade, flip it over. Please wear gloves when you do this because this can be sharp. Grab the blade with a firm grip, slide it. It just slides out like that. To put the new blade in, there's two sides to the blade. There's the one that says the Tomahawk, and there's the back side. You want to have the housing looking backwards at you, and the blade, slide it in and push it down. It'll click in like that. You want to center it, and you're good to go.